So hey YouTube, this is Christine C and today, as you can see in the title, this is going to be an Every Plate review. A little backstory: I was trying to find a meal subscription to go with, and this one was actually the cheapest. The first week was $2.99 a meal, and second and third week was $3.99 a meal. So I went ahead and went with them. You know, I did see some bad reviews saying people saying they got it late and the food was messed up, or they didn't get it at all, but that was not the case when it came to me. I did order last week and I wanted it last Friday, but you know, it's a pandemic going on, you know, mail has been taking longer in some cases, so I wasn't worried about it. They told me it would be here this Friday, and it actually came this Friday. So, you know, I'm happy with that. So here's the box. I just got it from outside. So that's what it looks like in comparison to me, how big it is. So right now I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, and later on in this video I'm actually going to be cooking it, because right now I'm actually making a London broil pot roast in the slow cooker. So that'll be dinner for tonight. So I'm opening it up right now. I'm using my lovely Mimi chop knife. I'll put these in the description. It comes with 5 of them. So I'll put the description for this in the block, the description block. This is the box. Chop by lovely Mimi. So, and they're so cute. And they're really sharp. So of course, when you open the box, if you've ever seen anybody else review it, you get your meal descriptions that you picked for the week. So I picked herby lemon chicken. I wanted to do like different meats. I wanted to try different meats. Skillet apple pork chops, and I did one non-meat meal, vegan meal, whatever you want to, vegetarian, I don't know what you want to call it. This is mushroom and pepper jack quesadillas. So those are the 3 that I picked. So I'll put those right here. And then, if you can see, this is what it's insulated with. And as you can see, that's what's inside. So, got your sour cream and chicken sodium. Fresh thyme, which the box came a little bit open, y'all. The box did come a little bit open, but it is still really fresh. Yes, it's still very, very fresh. So, fresh thyme. Got my cheese for my quesadillas. If you can see, there's a box. So I'm just going to pull this box out. And you can see that. It has all my vegetables. Actually, lemons, limes. I got 2 lemons and a lime. I got an apple for the apple pork chops. Jalapeno, I think. Onion. Is this garlic or shallots? Garlic. Pepper. Some sort. 2 potatoes. Ciabatta bread, mushrooms for the mushroom quesadillas. Let's see what this is. Is this squash? Hold on. Zucchini. This is zucchini. I should know that. My mom makes it all the time. And green beans. That's all of the stuff we got in that box. The package didn't do it. I don't know how they got all this stuff back in this box, because I can't get it back in that box. So put that right there. And then below that, you have your ice thing, so the meat would stay cold. Mine is not frozen all, so it's a little bit frozen, but up here, as you can see, it's not frozen. So I think mine made it just in time. Here's my boneless pork chop and my boneless, skinless chicken breast. And so that's all the meat I got this week, because as I said, one of my meals is going to be no meat, vegan, vegetarian, whatever you want to call it. That one is the mushroom and pepper jack quesadilla. So actually that little red thing that I thought was a pepper, that's a Roma tomato, and that'll be going in the quesadilla meal. So the first meal that I'm gonna make is the herby lemon chicken. Prep time 5 minutes, ready in 30. And that's what we send you. And then this is what you'll need. So I have olive oil, I have kosher salt, I have butter, and I have vegetable oil. So I have everything. And then they give you little, which is great. So I'll be coming back to y'all when I cook this. See you soon. Salt and pepper. It's good, but I think it's good. I think it's too much salt though. Where's that?